Okay, I've got a new GoPro mission. I'm down on the end of Blimp Road, right where it meets US1, and I'm gonna haul ass as fast as I can to the far side. Here we go. This is my Pedego 28 inch, 48 volt step through city commuter. This is as fast as it goes, and it's a pretty good place to ride without traffic. Speed limit's only 30 anyway. Down at the end of this road is a boat ramp, good for boats or kayaks or what have you. I wouldn't use it, I don't think, because you're gonna get the wheels wet on your vehicle, and I'm not a big fan of that. Halfway down is the lovely garbage transfer station. Anyhow, the reason for this test was to see how my 4K video did and what size the files were. I just want to check it out. I got the wind filter on. 4K video, supposed to be 25 frames per second, so it could possibly get a little grainy, I guess. That's okay. I say I'm roughly halfway to the surveillance blimp. Yes, this is Blimp Road heading north. I have seen key deer down here, but it's a rare occasion. Like once a year maybe, if you come down here a lot. They're not like the ones on Big Pine. Big Pine, they come up and try to steal food from you. Over here, they just run away. I got the remote control boat racers going. Yeah, this is definitely a no drone zone. Do not fly by the United States blimp for any reason. It's okay to film from the ground as far as I know. I was out flying my drone further south. Got some good footage, I guess. We shall see. I don't get to go this fast very often. I can get a little bit over 20 if I pedal hard. That's supposedly the legal limit for these now. Has been. I guess some of them can go faster, who knows. Okay, getting up to the end of the road. Do not want to turn left, because if you go turn down there and read the sign, you'll see it's time to turn around. But straight ahead, you got your boat ramp, kayak ramp. There's always a few boat trailers down here. The only thing you can't do over here, basically, is be here overnight, especially in an RV, because they will ticket you. Okay, we're going to see the end of Blimp Road. Then I'm going to turn around and experiment the other way. There you have it. Boat ramp. It's not super deep, so don't bring your ocean-going yacht down here.